Hello everyone, and welcome to the weekly market outlook. So let's see what we are having currently on the market. First, let me know those who are watching me on YouTube if there is everything working properly, because last 2 or 3 streams didn't work properly, and I would love to see some confirmations that YouTube is working fine, and that would be really good information, because if it is not working, then we will have to switch. Okay, then we will have to switch on the trading view, all of us. Okay, so I see people are giving me some confirmations. Perfect. Okay, so that's what that's what I wanted, YouTube to work fine. Okay, so I'm sorry, I didn't know what didn't work fine on YouTube last 2 3 streams. There was some problems probably. Now I have changed the software and I can see that now I'm having a confirmation from you guys. Okay, this is perfect. Just give me some second. Okay, well done. So guys, how was your trading week? Let me know. Did you guys take any trades? Did you take any profit? Did you learn anything? Did you learn anything new from the market this week? We we didn't take a lot of trades. There was the trades which are in the big time frame confirmations. So on Friday, basically on Friday, last 2 hours before market close, market starts to move crazily, and I think that this week now will be really good and we will have a nice opportunities to make some money. Previous week, let's say, was more for scalpers, and we are not scalpers. We are not scalping on the market. And yeah, I'm glad that also scalpers made some money sometimes. My trade last week is fine, really good. So did you make any profit? I hope you made some profit there in the last week. I see for this week that there it will be a lot of setups. Okay, so I see that there it will be a lot of setups. We just need to be patient. Okay, so well done, you made some profit. That's good. Okay, perfect, well done. Okay, I'm so happy when I see that you guys are making money. So let me just share one idea that I have posted there. So I would just like to make everything clear. I want to make everything clear for you guys. So here it is. There's the pound chief idea that I have posted for you guys. In case if you will forget for this setup, this is the really good setup for the upcoming week. Okay, so if I will open it, as you can see, that is it correcting right now. Okay, there was the correction. Sorry, it was in the big huge correction, and this correction, once you will have a sell stops, there's the nice opportunity to take this sell. Okay, so how far? All the way down. Okay, you see how big move it is, and it's supposed to go really fast. So let's see. Okay, it's still there at the top. I have posted their update. Okay, but we will have a deep discussion exactly about this setup, because I want that every one of you will be in this cell. If there will be no sell stop, then I don't want anyone in this cell. Okay, so this trade will be basically, let's say that pound chief will be much more educational and a little bit profitable idea. Okay, so perfect. So Miho is confirming. Thank you very much. And what else? There are some old ideas. Okay, I haven't been updating it. Okay, your cat there give us the running flat, went for one more high, trying to go lower, but no sell. Okay, so there's no sell, so this setup is gone now. We ain't gonna watch the euro cut anymore. UK oil, this is gone as well. There's the bigger correction now. Okay, so if you took this sell, that's supposed to be in the break-even trade, and now we are correcting. So no, this trade is also gone. So I'm just updating you guys so you will know what we are watching for now. Bitcoin, we will have a deep discussion about Bitcoin, of course. Okay, so hope we are also having there some crypto traders. Okay, Meho did really nice profit. Okay, well done to Meho. He's fully active. Okay, so he's all the time sending the setups. He's having a wonderful setups, updating every one of us, and this is good. Okay, so he's the crypto maniac. He's having his eyes on the crypto, and really good job. Well done. Okay, so Pound Chief. Okay, this is the same idea that I have posted to you at the beginning. Okay, here it is. Here's a new fresh idea. First we've been selling this one, then now we have a correction, and now this is going again back down. Okay, so still active. Oh, sorry, this one still active. USD and struggling there, we'll show you, but the rest is it's not active anymore. Okay, so they are gone. So I will go now to the setups. If you guys have any questions, just feel free to ask. Those who are watching me on TradingView, use the chat there, don't feel afraid, type anything you want. Okay, so feel free, relax. And for those who are also watching me on YouTube as well, feel free to use the chat. I see that some of you are already using the chat. This is really good. Okay, so it's good that you guys are not ashamed. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what the DXY will bring us for the next week. Okay, what the DXY will bring us for the next week. As you can see that DXY, if it corrects, then we all can take that short-term bar. Okay, so what we would love to see is there the flag. Okay, flag will confirm this uptrend. So how far and how fast it will go, we don't know yet, but once you will take it, you will see if it will go aggressively with the big impulsive movements, then the next target will be previous top. But if you watch it, I don't think that it's gonna go that high. Okay, so I'm not sure for now that this is gonna take the high again. Let's see the daily. Okay, daily, so we have to assume then this is the running flat. This is the running flat, and this has to confirm itself. If this confirm itself by the flag, then it will go all the way back, breaking this top, and then it will reverse to the downside. Okay, so hope you will guys go for this buy. It's gonna be a nice buy if it will appear. Okay, we have some flag already right now on the lower time frame. We don't have a confirmation yet, so that doesn't mean you have to take an enter there. Okay, so no enter right now, you have to wait for the correction, then you will have to take a trade to the upside. Okay, so just be patient, and that's it. Aussie USD, what we are having over there. Okay, Aussie USD, those are the trades that I was talking at the beginning of the webinar. 2 hours before market close, we finally get some momentum on the Forex. Okay, before whole week the market was so slow, it was just kept correcting and didn't move anywhere, so it was such a slow week. And now, yeah, I see that the upcoming week will be full of setups will be there, and don't want you guys that you will miss any of them. Okay, so can I take the sell there? No. Okay, so this is just a random line there. I don't want to confuse you, so what you have to do is, again, okay, you have to wait for the flag before you will take the trade. Okay, so why? Okay, so I'm getting the question quite often in the private, why I have to wait for this correction, because this can slightly, just a little bit, break this low. Okay, just for a little bit, and then it will just reverse to the upside. Okay, so, and guess what, you will have a sell there, you will have a stop loss, for example, there, and guess what will happen, you will be stopped out in really few hours, basically, let's say like that. Okay, so that's gonna be a fast stop loss, and you can be frustrated because of this. And what will prevent us from this situation is flag. Okay, if flag will appear, then this will prevent us from this direct, or let's say this fast stop loss. Okay, so hope that this is clear. And where we are heading to, where the Aussie USD is heading to, I can see that this one will go back at the previous low. Okay, so nicely pushing down, tagging the previous low, then we'll have to decide. Okay, so let's see the daily, what the daily is showing us exactly. Yeah, one more low can appear there easily. Okay, so then this will be one huge running flat there in the middle, and these two break the low, and then we may have a chance for one more buy. Okay, so hope that this is clear for every one of you. There it will be the running flat in the middle of the structure basically. Okay, so this running flat in the middle, one more low, it's what we want to see, and then finally let's push to the upside. This buy can appear really fast. Okay, so as you can see, 1, 2 and 3, some kind of the 3 there, and going lower. It can keep extending a little bit higher and keep on pushing lower. Can't even go lower from there. Yes, possibility exists. Okay, so then we will assume that this is all the expanded flat and we will be heading to this low, but that's too far for say this. We just have to go for this weak sell. Okay, so next week sell is there. Can also turn to the upside, yes, but then the price will give us something like this and this flag for the upside, and that's the reason why I'm saying to wait for the flag before selling. Okay, I'm having internet problem here. I will have to watch the replay. Thank you for all your knowledge and have a great stream. My internet is awful right now. So no worries. Okay, no worries. Recording will be live there on TradingView and YouTube as well. So you're supposed to not feel stressful. Okay, so no worries, buddy. This is why we are having the recordings. But thank you for all the support and for all the positive feedback that you are giving to me. Okay, so if we go back to the AUSD, we know that we will be heading to the downside just by simply follow those flags. Okay, so follow the flags to the downside, same as we have it for the upside. The downside will be the same, and this will be the target, right? Aussie yen, yeah, this is what I was charting. So I do not recommend anyone to sell there. Okay, so no selling there. Don't sell there. This sell, it's not good at all, because it can just break the low and then going higher. Why this is there? Why I have draw those 10 lines there? Because I want to show you what is the possibility. Okay, so this can keep on selling, and then it will just explode to the upside, give us a running flat, and then the more downside will appear. Okay, because this impulse is quite aggressive one. Okay, and that one is going lower. It can struggle there, one more low, and then fast to the upside, and then going low. Okay, so those possibilities exist, and that's the reason why I have to wait. Okay, don't trade the sell on Aussie, and it's not good. Okay, so if you're a seller from there, you're doing good job. Put it on break even, and then the others who are not in, you will have to wait. Okay, so there are many other trades, but during the week, okay, let's say during the week, this will appear over there. Aussie Chief, let's see. Aussie Chief is struggling there right now. Okay, so same there. If this drops, then great. Okay, don't get in there. That makes no sense there over there. So what you would love to see is this correction over there, at least 1 hour. Okay, so let me move on 1 hour time frame. This is what you would love to see. This is the sell. Okay, on the Friday, if you took a sell there, great. If not, then you have to wait. Okay, so wait a little bit more. This can drag down as Aussie yen and going higher for the running flat. Okay, for the running flat, and then it can drop down if you watch for the sell. Okay, but same, it can also break down, and then it will give you the buy stuff. Which one will be? We have to be open for both directions. Okay, both directions needs to be open, and you have to wait for the chart. It will let you know in the right time, probably on the Tuesday, Wednesday. You will have a clear sense of the direction there on the Aussie Chief. But for now, let's have open both directions. Okay, so because this part of the structure looks like the consolidation for one more up. Okay, consolidation for one more up is what this is looking like. So be careful. Aussie Cat, same there. If this gonna give us any buy stop, you can consider taking that buy. How far back at this top? a little bit break it, and then it can reverse to the downside. Okay, so if you find the buy stop, go for it. Go for it. Aussie New Zealand, what do we have there? Nothing there. Okay, I don't recommend you taking the sell. If you've been selling these sells over there, you did a good job. Slowly take off your profit. How far this can go to? Yeah, we can go quite deep. Okay, this is first low is what we already break now, and we just have to see what the price will do. Okay, if there it will be any correction, then next low is it's our target. Okay, so let's see the possibilities. Yes, but first let's be careful about this low over there. Okay, so oops, sorry, this low now could be also dangerous one, because if we watch this closely, we have an impulsive movement to the upside, and we have 1, 2 and 3. This is a classical flag, and we can still break out of the structure. Okay, this is how it will look like. Let me just give you the bigger picture. Okay, 1, 2, 3, and it can break up, break this high, and then it will turn to the upside. Okay, so this will give us some sort of the flat over there. Okay, so flat will appear over there, and yeah, if buy will start, I want that everyone will start watch for the buy stops. Okay, go on lower time frame. If you're skilled enough, you can watch 5 to 15 minute time frame buy setup. If you are not that skilled enough, and if you are fresh to the forex trading, then watch 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour will be enough for you to catch this buy coming over there. New Zealand USD, same there. Okay, so I can see that there's a nice flag in the making. Okay, nice flag in the making. We have an impulse, we have a flag, and these two keep on pushing higher. So what we want to see there is some kind of the correction. Okay, so it's in the making, so something like this could appear, and then it can drag higher. This impulsive movement is quite strong. Okay, so this move is quite strong, and yeah, if that goes by the sideways movement, so a couple more days, we all have to take that buy. New Zealand USD will go to the upside. But for now, what we have to do is we have to take a sell stops. Okay, sell stops is what we have to take, because the DXY can explode to the upside. That's the reason. And if there will be any explode, or let's say strong movement to the upside, this New Zealand USD will drag back at the previous low, and then we have to buy again. Okay, we will be buyers again. This move will go quite fast, because as we all know that we are waiting DXY. After this correction, let me just quickly show you. After this completion of this correction over there, 1, 2, 3, this has to drop down. How far? Back at 88.30. Okay, so let me just give you the big picture. This is it. Okay, so as you can see, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so I still don't think that this is all, and we will be heading to the upside. Okay, so what is the reason we didn't break the low? This is the first reason and first confirmation what is basically showing me that cannot start pushing higher. Okay, so first reason why this cannot go higher, there is the flag in the making, which is pointing downside, exactly to confirm or to complete our sell before the buy will appear. And what else we are having? Okay, the momentum, it's not there. Okay, so this is not the momentum for buy, and this is not a buy impulse. Why? Because this is the low, and that's supposed to be aggressive, more aggressive. Okay, so like it did there, but as you can see, we don't have that strong movement, and this all is the reason. 1, 2, 3 is the flag. Okay, it can go a little bit higher, but this is still the flag. It will still go to downside. Okay, it doesn't change the picture. This running flat can just push for the upside, and yeah, we all supposed to go for this sell. It could be quite fast one. Okay, so fast movement, something like this. Okay, movement can be so strong, and New Zealand USD based on this picture can go to the upside. It's quite aggressive. Okay, but now is the question what the DXY will do in the upcoming week. So this is the reason why we have to be especially careful, and why we have to watch on the DXY. Okay, most of the setups, most of the dollar pairs are waiting on the dollar, what the dollar will do, and it will just simply follow it. Okay, so yeah, but we have to take that sell. Okay, once it will appear. Okay, for now, currently 1 hour, we don't have anything. Okay, there was some sell stop, there was some sell stop, but now we are not having any sell stop. Can also give us yes. Okay, so next couple of hours, this could stay for the sideways, give us some flag, and we can take the trade. Okay, but be especially careful if that is gonna stop and give you some reversal, then this is a buy over there. Okay, let me just zoom out, then this will be the buy setup. Okay, correction going lower, and then this starts to struggle, then this will go for the upside. Okay, it's so simple. You just need to be open for all the possibilities. Don't only watch one direction. Okay, watch all the possibilities on the chart as always. Okay guys, are you still there? Are you still with me? Let's see who is there. Seems that that people on TradingView are quiet. We have much more active YouTube. So guys, if you have any questions, feel free to ask anything. We will watch the crypto as well. So those who are there only for the crypto, we will take a look at crypto. Okay, so there are some setups as well. Okay, see that a lot of people are there on YouTube. Really good. So hi also to Maria. So let's go. Let's continue. New Zealand chief, what we are having right there. That's not sell setup yet. Okay, so this is not sell setup yet. When this will be the sell setup, once we will have a correction and confirmation, this will be the setup, because this could be still just one single candle which give us some momentums, and then it will just continue to the upside, dragging to the upside still. Okay, so this movement exists over there. Let me show you the weekly chart. It's still there. There wasn't any setup. As you can see, that sell momentum was really bad over there, and that's the reason why we are heading now for the upside. Okay, so no momentum for sell was there, and yeah, we're finally having some confirmations. We just have to be careful and watch this, how that's gonna develop over there in the upcoming week. Okay, so this could just go down, up, down, and it will go up. Okay, so we can have a double confirmation there before we will be going to the upside. Is there the sell? No, I don't see the sell stop, at least not yet. Okay, sell stop, it's not here yet. XRP, yes, we'll watch it. Just let me go quickly to those Forex charts, and then we will have a look on crypto. How many people are there only for crypto? Let's see. I can see that some of you are there only for crypto. The half of you are still ashamed and are scared to leave a comment there and ask what you want to know. But that's all okay. Let's go. Let's continue. New Zealand yen, yeah, same there. If this corrects, go for the sell. Okay, it's the same as it did there. Correction, go for the sell. Okay, that's gonna be this will head down. This will be heading to the downside, but I'm not sure that it's going down, because as you can see, there's such a strong impulse over there. Okay, such a strong impulse, and one spike can't reverse basically that easily this impulse to the upside. And structurally this looks for an upside. Okay, so this structure looks like an upside. Okay, we still are in this huge expanded flat, 1 2 3, and yeah, there is no other options to break this high. Now the question is how big this correction can get. Okay, so we can have some complications there, and then it will still go to the upside. Okay, something like this, and then going higher. Okay, see that most of you are for the crypto. Where are the Forex guys? Where we have those Forex guys? Only one is for Forex there. Whoa. What's happening? Yeah, maybe because it's Sunday. We all know that we still have some time till the Forex market will open, and maybe that's the reason. That's the reason why people are not there for the Forex. Oh, you wait for commodities and the indices. Okay, so I'll just speed up a little bit. I'm not gonna talk about setups that are not ready. Okay, so yeah, let's say correction going lower, New Zealand cat. Yeah, if I will extend my webinar, the market can open in this time, yes, but no one has that much time to watch the webinar that long. Probably half of you will fall asleep. So let's go. New Zealand cat, what we are having over there, it's nothing yet. Okay, it can quickly break the top and then it will start pushing lower. So we have nothing to do at the moment. Okay, so nothing to do at the moment. We will just leave it, okay, until we'll have any break to the downside corrections, and then we'll be trading to the downside. Probably on the Wednesday, Thursday, maybe we will have some sell stop, but buy it's what you definitely want to ignore. So here's it, your chief, good chart to watch. Daily, let me show you the daily. It's trying to complete this structure. Okay, so as you can see where we are heading to, this is going to the downside, back at this low. Let me just give you the tag of the low which we are waiting for. But what we have to do is watch this expanded flat which is in the making right now. Okay, let me just bring down to the 4-hour chart. As you can see that this is the expanded flat. Okay, 1, 2, 3. This is the expanded flat, and if this is so, and if this will start to push lower, then you will have a lot of buy setups over there. One, it's already in the making, but I would love to see a bit more aggressiveness of the movement. Okay, so this to start breaking lower aggressively. Okay, I don't want to see this going like this, because then guess what, we will have a flat over there, flat, and then we'll continue the downside. Okay, so just keep in mind, in case if you get stuck there or there during the week, you can watch it and you will see how that develops, or it can just get some momentum and it can drop down. Okay, that's gonna be a good move. Okay, good move, and these two dragging lower. So follow the sell stops, just follow the sell stops. Your cat, here's the question what this one is trying to do. Okay, for me this is the impulse and this is still the correction which has to go lower, at least back at this low. Then we'll have a 1, 2 and 3, one more high, break the top, and then total the downside. This is the first option. The second option is this could correct and then going higher, give us break of this top, going lower, not breaking this low. Okay, and then one more high, break this top, and then to go lower. Okay, so two options are in the play for the upcoming weeks, let's say. Okay, that ain't gonna be finished in the next 2 to 3 days. Okay, that's gonna take up to maybe a week. Yeah, maybe a week it could take before it will be completed and we'll be heading to the downside. Okay, so what we have to do, you can take a buy. Okay, so if you find the buy but outside of this structure. Okay, so we are still in this structure and this can still have push to the downside. So let it break out, let it correct, take a buy over there, go for the buy, take off your profit, let it go deeper, and then you have a buy again. Okay, so we opened, but this can get quite complicated, guys, especially if you're new. You can get confused, or can it break down? Yes, if it breaks down, then I want every one of you will be in the sell. Okay, so this could just stay there, break down, giving you the sell stop, take the sell, how far back at this low, and then you will see what the price will do. Okay, so nice profit is waiting there on you if you wait for this setup. Euro USD, good sell stop for the next week. So I think that DXY will go to the upside. Okay, now the question is how far and how strong. Okay, no one knows for now until the market will be open and until we'll see any reactions on lower time frame. So what we have to do is wait for the correction, take the trade. Okay, so something like this. Okay, something like this is what you have to wait there and then take the trade to downside. Can I sell it? No. That can hit you going higher, okay, and you'll be stopped out. So wait for the flag. Flag, it's what you want to see there, like I've shown you. This one, or something like this, just the reversed option there. And then these to keep on pushing lower. How far this your USD can go? Okay, so structurally, this looks like it could be completed. Okay, so it could be completed and one more down before we will see a reversal. That's the reason of DXY pushing higher. Okay, so let's see what this one is trying to do. Okay, if this is going low, yeah, all of you are supposed to go for the sell there on your USD. Okay, so take the sells, take the sell and see how they will play out. Euro yen. That one it's a bit confusing one. Okay, yeah, but let's say this is the buy stop. Okay, so I don't see the sell stop yet. It can just go lower, giving you something like this, running flat, one more low, and then it will head to the upside. So be aware how this is gonna develop. For now, this is still the flag over there. How long does it take? We will see. Okay, so don't go for the sell right now. Okay, this is not a sell stop. Okay, this is not a sell stop, but it can easily go to the upside. So watch this structure to be breaking to the upside. Here also you can consider watching some buys. Okay, you can take a buy, but if this stops there, take off a profit. It can go for the downside. It will give you the selling opportunity. Then take this sell. Okay, sell is what you can take over there. And yeah, of course you can go for the buy if you'll be fast. Okay, so you have to move your trade and break even really fast. Euro GBP, this one is in the making of the running flat already. Okay, so if you'll go down to the 1 hour, I can see that this is the running flat. Okay, so 1, 2 and 3. So what you can see, the break of this low and keep on dragging lower. So let me give you the 4 hour view over there. So 1, 2 and 3, this could be some sort of the contracting flat. Okay, so this to be a contracting flat and this to keep on pushing lower. Let's see the daily, weekly, daily. Let's say daily. Okay, so let me just delete everything off. Yeah, so we can go for this sell, but be careful once it will break in. I do recommend taking profit there, in case if it is gonna drop aggressively, take the sell and take off your profit on the previous low. Easy. Here in New Zealand, same there. There is the running flat in the making. Structurally, this is completed for me. Okay, so this is completed for me. This is the 1, 2 and 3. Okay, this is completed for me and now is about to drop. What is in the making? Okay, what we are having there is the running flat. 1, 2 and third wave of the running flat is in the making. How far, how long does it take? We don't know, but once it will start appearing, once it will be in the making, we will know exactly when this is finished and you have to start selling it. Okay, so what you can do, once you will have this high order somewhere there within these areas, you can place an entry order over there. And if you're skilled enough, you can move on lower time frame and you can watch for the flags before hitting the previous low. Okay, so this is what a bit more experienced traders can do. Euro Nokian, don't take a trade over there. We are by the previous low. It can go up, back at this top, and then it can continue downside. Okay, so flat it can appear, so you know how to trade it. Euro, Polish, Zloty. This can go to the upside. Okay, these two go for the upside. Dragging back, breaking this top, and then it can go still down. Okay, can go lower, yes, but we have to have a deeper correction. This will gonna drop, going higher, drop, going higher, and it will go down, and it will go higher, and it will go lower. Okay, this is how it can get complicated over there, so watch it. Pound G4, so here it is. This is the idea that I was sharing with you. I have posted on TradingView at the beginning of the webinar. I have shown you this trading idea. So what you have to do, okay, so the movement will be the same. Okay, so move will be the same as this one. These two keep on pushing lower. So what you have to do, you have to watch for the strong break to the upside correction. You will be keep selling, keep selling, keep selling, selling, selling. Okay, so selling. Okay, so I want that every one of you will grab that sell. Okay, don't be too fast. Now we are not having anything for a selling yet. Okay, so what you want to see is this. Okay, once you have this sideways, or let's say this flag, you can consider taking that sell. Okay, so take the sell, and if it struggles there, buy the trend line, put it on break even, put this trade on the break even, and it's gonna go probably for one more quick high and then it will drop to the downside. But yeah, anyway, it's a nice trade there. I want that you guys will be in the profit of this pound chief, which is showing nice wave to the downside. I think there's a lot of people, pips to be made. Sorry for that. I'm speaking too fast sometimes. There is 250 pip to be made, and yeah, why not? Just go for it and take this trade to the downside. Nice trade is there, so don't miss it. If you think that, or in case if you miss it, no worries. Okay, there will be a bunch of sell setups. Okay, bunch of sell stops will be there on the way to the downside, so the possibility that you will miss the trade doesn't exist. Okay, if you will miss the sell, then you are doing something wrong. Okay, so keep an eye there, put it on your watch list, put it on the first place. Pound New Zealand, same there. If this is gonna give you any sell stops, go for it. Okay, this is the sell stop there. Pound Aussie, this to keep on dragging lower back at turn and first, and we'll have to decide. Okay, so but definitely watch for the sell stops. Pound Cat, let's see if it stops by the trend line. It's gonna go for the flat and then going higher, break this top, and then it will reverse to the downside. Okay, so this is what we can have over there in the upcoming week, so don't buy without having the flag. Pound USD, this one as well. If Pound USD will give you any sideways movement, take a sell back at the previous low, take off your profit, go for the buy. Okay, and this buy to break this top. Okay, this to break this top. And yeah, so simple. Why not? Go for it. Just wait for this sell stop. Pound yen. Let's see. This one is going down also as well. So those who take a buy over there, okay, if you take this buy over there, you have to close the break even. Okay, close the break even and join the sell. Sell will go much deeper. Okay, much deeper all the way back at this low is what we'll have. So it's worth of watching the sell over there on the pound yen. So go for it. This could be some sort of the contracting flat, and this to keep on pushing lower. Okay, I don't see the buy stop yet there. Okay, not yet. CAD yen, this one to continuously pushing lower, so watch for sell stops, sell, all the way back at the trend line. CAD chief, identical stuff. Watch for sell stop, going all the way down. Chief yen, I don't recommend you trading it because it can get complicated and then going lower, so skip it. There are better setups than this one. Chief Noki, and this one to complete a running flat before drop. Okay, so we have 1, 2, 3, not breaking this top, and to keep on pushing lower. Okay, so keep an eye there, watch it, and take the sell. How far it can go? It can go quite nice. Okay, so these to keep on going back at the previous low. Okay, so nice pips to be made over there, but just let this running flat to complete itself before you will be triggering any trades. Chief, I think the chief is still not completed, and we will go for the downside at least for one more wave. Okay, so one more wave, it's what I see. This correction there is quite complicated, and I want that you learn now something from this one. So we are having the 1, 2, 3. Why are we having 1, 2, 3? Because this is the buy. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, and this will be just in the completion of this one, and then this is the 1, this is the 2, and this will be the 3. Okay, the third wave, back down, this will be flat, and where we are going to? We are going back for the second wave. Why is the third wave? Second wave, sorry. 1, 2, and the big 3 wave is there. Okay, so something like this is what we will have there, a big, huge flat over there. Okay, so here you can see how the market can stay for the sideways, and why you have to be taking off your profit really fast. Okay, this is the reason. This is the main reason why you have to taking off your profit when the market is in the sideways. So in the upcoming week, what we have to do is you can go for this sell. Okay, so watch for sell stop, take a sell, take off your profit, watch for the buy stops. Okay, keep on buying back at this top, and then go for the sells. Sell, we are completing this one, we are completing there, flat, going higher. Okay, then 1, 2, and 3. Okay, it's not that complicated. So short term sell, short term buy, short term sell again, and medium term buy, and then the sell there, medium, and then the longer term will be the buy. Okay, hope that this is clear for you, every one of you, because this is still a huge impulse. Okay, that needs to appear somewhere else. So once again, quickly, let me show you the setup. Sorry, 1 2 3, going higher, back at this top, going lower, back at this low, and then we are repeating this movement up. Then we have to repeat this one, going lower, going to the flat, going higher for this one, going that one, and then going lower for this one, and that's how it's gonna plays out. Okay, so it looks quite complicated. I know, guys, that maybe I have scared some of you, and especially those who are not following me for quite a long. Okay, so for those who've been following me for quite a long, they know exactly what I'm saying and how correction can develop. They've been there really long time with me now, and they will understand. For those who are not understanding, okay, just go and watch it closely. Okay, watch it closely, watch closely the recording. I mean, if this picture wasn't clear enough for you, go and watch it. Okay, if there to be still some difficulties by reading this chart, then next Sunday you have to put a question there, what wasn't clear enough for you, or what was the big struggle there in this structure. Makes perfect sense. Okay, so thank you very much. So I can see that you're understanding the patterns and how the patterns are developing on the chart. So really good. I'm happy to see, guys, that you are improving your knowledge. This is the purpose of the webinar. I want to give you as much value as I can and to give you the better understanding of the market. Okay, just a second. I have to grab a water. Okay, here I am back. Sorry for that. I don't know what happened to my voice. Okay, so USD, Hong Kong dollar. These to keep on dragging lower. Okay, this is not a sell. Okay, so that's just there for explaining something to my guys. Okay, so there, this one to keep on pushing lower. Sell stops, follow it all the way down to previous low. USD CAD, good chart to watch. Let's wait for the buy setup, sideways, and take a buy. Okay, this one is similar as DXY, okay, as the dollar. The dollar has big movement, or let's say it's influenced by the dollar really well. Okay, so it always, not always, it's mostly driven by the dollar, let's say like that. CAD, it's mostly driven by the dollar. So wait for the sideways there and take this buy. How far it's gonna take us, we don't know yet. Okay, but first target is this one. If the trade will be strong over there, then that's your next target. Okay, so and this will be much for the next week. Then we will have a look on Sunday what this is trying to do. Okay, if not, then if this stops there by this stop, take your profit off and start watching for sell stops. Easy, you will be making in the both direction, in buy and in the sell. That's what we want. Use the yen, same there. Let this take a couple of more hours there, and this to keep on dragging higher. Okay, so I think this is the flat over there and it's completed. It can easily drag back at the top, and then we'll have a quick break to the downside, and then it will go for the upside. Okay, so this is what we can have over there, big flat in the making. So keep an eye there for the upcoming week. Okay, so this flag to appear and break to the upside. Use the Mexican, don't watch it, it's struggling there. This can go for one more high and then one more low. Use the Sikian. Leave it alone. Okay, so this can go a little bit higher and then sell stops. Or say like that, just focus on the sell stops, ignore the buy over there. USD Turkish lira, this is going for the running flat, as you can see. Okay, so this is going for one more up, okay, to give us the running flat, and then it will be finally heading to the downside. Okay, so keep an eye, watch it how that develops. Can you go for the buy? Yes, if you're skilled enough you can go for the buy. If not, then leave it. Okay, leave it. You will have enough time to prepare yourself for the sell. Sell is what you want to go for it. Okay, so this sell, running flat. Okay, So as you can see, the DXY will have a big movement on the market next week. USDZR, leave it. That's gonna probably give us the bigger correction, and it's not be tradable. Silver. Okay, so silver, what the silver is trying to do, watch for the sell stops. Okay, so this to correct itself and keep on selling, keep on selling, keep on selling all the way back at this low. It can even take that low. Let me just give you the daily. The daily, it's still not completed. This is the 1, this is the 2, and we are still in the third movement. Okay, so this is the still third movement of the structure. 1, 2, 3, give us the flat, and then going to the upside finally. Okay, so keep an eye there for this sell for the upcoming week. I'll give you an arrow over there so you'll know what to do. Follow your sell stops. Okay, it's so easy. Follow. Yeah, we'll watch the Ethereum and Ripples. Just give me a couple more minutes, then we will switch to the crypto. So all those who are there only for the crypto, stay patient a little bit. Okay, stay patient a little bit, and we will have a discussion and watch the setups. Same there, gold, this to keep on pushing lower. As you can see that we are having the correction over there. Let me just bring the 4-hour chart. Okay, so this is what we are having there, correction, and this to keep on pushing lower all the way back at the previous low, and then we can have a even bigger correction, or it will just simply break it and then finally upside. Okay, so daily, yeah, this can go even lower, this to be expanded flat. Okay, so this to be an expanded flat, and this move now it's appearing, breaking this low, and then to go higher, break all those tops. Okay, so watch for the sell stops in the upcoming week. Go for the sell and try to take off your profit somewhere there or there. Okay, only 2 lows are where you have to watch for profit, there or there. Okay, keep an eye. Sugar, nothing there, it's heading to the downside. So sell stops, if you find it, sell, take it. US oil, give me a second. I think this can break up. This can break to the upside. So watch there now. I think being able to see the moves in both Forex and crypto is wise. Yes. Okay, especially if you're using the same strategy for analyzing the market, it's really good. Okay, so what we are doing in our trading academy, we are watching both markets. Okay, they are quite huge. Crypto is even bigger. Okay, and we watch them all. We watch the Forex and the crypto. Okay, crypto is doing really good, and yeah, why not to watch both of the market if you are capable of. Okay, and if your strategy is capable of doing this is really good. Okay, and wave analysis is the strategy which will help you to analyze both of the markets with exactly same strategy. And so yeah, let's go. US oil, what is trying to do? Can this go lower? Yes, possible, but no sell stop yet. Okay, so you want to see sell stop. Can break the upside, yes, but don't trade it. Okay, so I want to see break of this high, correct there, and then go. Okay, so I'm not be a buyer before. Same there, UK oil. Okay, let it drop, let it correct, take a buy. Okay, don't be too fast, it can still break to the downside. The momentum it's not yet there, and you have to be patient enough. US 30 going lower. Okay, so how far we have been waiting for this sell. Okay, so those who are first time there with us, go back and watch the previous weekly market outlooks and the recordings. You will see the forecast, how they plays out, how we forecasted every single movement. And same there now on the US 30, what we should do. Okay, there's still no momentum for sell. It can still go down, back at the trend line, back at the top, and then drop. Okay, so one fast top can appear. Definitely you have to take a sell. Okay, so if sell will appear there, take a sell. You'll see how far I go. If it breaks down, congratulations, you have a nice trade. SP 500, same there. Okay, we've been selling it all the time. Okay, once it will give you the sell stop, sell it again. Okay, just sell it. Okay, just sell it. How far or how long can it take? We don't know yet, but we'll see. Okay, so I think that it can break the trend line for the upcoming week. Then we'll have to decide. Okay, then we will see on Sunday what it's trying to do. German 30, this probably going higher and then going lower, and then continue the downside. Okay, or if this is going sideways, take a sell and be aware around the previous low. It can turn and then going lower. Okay, so that's what you can have over there, and be careful about this situation. But anyway, take a sell stop. UK 100, this to keep on dragging lower. Okay, so I can see this one to push lower. Okay, so watch for the sell stop, same there. Okay, so sell stops is what you would love to see and what you would love to take. And 4 hour, it's looking quite interesting. This could be expanded flat on the lower time frame. Let's see the 1 hour. Yeah, this could be expanded flat, so watch for the sell stops. This could be interesting chart. Okay, interesting chart to watch during the next day. I mean tomorrow. Okay, watch this to give you some sideways. Take a sell, take a sell, take a sell. Just keep on selling. It could be a nice trade to the downside. Okay, so this move to appear in the upcoming week. Nasdaq 100, there's nothing to say. There is setup which have been there on Friday, breakdown, that's it. So can I sell? No, definitely no. If you're not in, what you have to do is wait there for 1 hour. Let me just move on 1 hour. Okay, so 1 hour is what we want to see. Okay, so this information, then take a sell all the way down. Okay, easy, and this is most of it. Okay, commodities indices are done, Forex is done. So let's see, guys, do we have any questions? We will also watch the crypto. Okay, crypto is what we will have a look on. Let me know, guys, where we should start with the crypto. What are you guys interested the most? Of course, Bitcoin. Yeah, am I right? Everyone wants to know where the crypto is going to. We'll start with the crypto. Just a second. The crypto, I will go just watch a couple of them. If you want to watch any special charts, special crypto, or I don't know, because there is a lot of crypto charts, I don't want to go through all of them. There are too many of them. So if you have any question or you would love to see any special crypto pair to watch, then use the chat, type in there which one you would love to see, and we will edit and watch it for you. I've been watching Sol and Luna personally, along with BTC and Ethereum, of course. BTC, yeah. Okay, we'll watch it, but first let's see the Bitcoin. So guys, what do you think about the Bitcoin? Where the Bitcoin will go in the future? What do you think, guys? Okay, what do you think that Bitcoin will go? What is your direction? What do you think, or what was your analysis where the Bitcoin will go to? Where do you see the Bitcoin in the next week? Nowhere. Guys, don't be afraid to answer. Don't be afraid to answer the question or predict the direction. Okay, there is nothing wrong. Okay, so nothing wrong if you will say something different. As you can see, all of you are afraid, so let me just see what I see. Okay, so what I see there on the Bitcoin is, I think would be hard to break that. Okay, yeah, I see that Bitcoin will go lower. Okay, it's quite in a difficult spot, and there's the correction which is important in the upcoming week, and all of you have to be aware of this correction over there, especially next week. You have to put some focus on it, on how it will develop. Okay, and how it will develop. Let me just move on lower time frame and show you the reason of why and what is the reason. Okay, so if I'm going to lower time frame, you can see that we are still in the making of some correction. Okay, so we have a first impulse, and then we are going to the downside. Okay, this can still go down, back at this low, going high, back at this high, and give us the flat. Okay, so and if this flat will appear, then we are heading down to 30k. Okay, 30k level, it's what it will be hit If we'll have this flat over there, which I have shown you already, okay, then we will be heading to the downside. Okay, so can we also go higher now? Yes, that possibility also exists. Then this will be the impulse, then 1 2 3 flat in the flag, and then one more flag. Okay, so flag up and then going lower. Okay, so that's what I see for now, but I do recommend you taking the buy. Okay, take the buy and don't be afraid of it. What is gonna happen, we don't know yet, but there is the flag. Okay, there's the flag. You can take a buy. Okay, you can buy back at this top at least, and you will see what is going on, and if there will be no momentum, get out of it. Okay, so if this will go like this, okay, take it off because it's gonna go lower, and then it's gonna be the flat formation before the downside. Okay, but can also go to the upside. Let's see if there's the possibility for the buy. For now, I don't think so. Okay, so I don't think so that there will be the buy. Okay, not yet. Okay, I don't see the buy coming yet. Okay, this is still no. Yeah, I don't see the buy over there. Yeah, maybe it's saying to the moon Bitcoin. Yeah, breaking 53k somewhere there. That's also possible. Okay, that's also possible, Meho. Yeah, possibility exists that this can go all the way back at the top. If we will break the 53k, then structure and Bitcoin analysis will totally change. We will stop watching it for this to hit 20k. Okay, 20k to hit 20k. We'll stop watching it. Why? Okay, what will be the reason? The reason will be that this will go lower, give us the flat, and it will totally change the picture and the structure over there, and we will going back at this top. Okay, so this is what will happen if we will hit the 53k area. The structure will totally change, will change the direction, will change the pattern, will change the prediction, at least for the medium term now. And yeah, we all will be buying it back again if that will happen, but this is gonna take up for, let's say, a month. Okay, that could take up to the month at least. Okay, at least 1 month before we will see what the Bitcoin will do exactly. Okay, but yeah, we will track it, of course, every day, because the most important correction will be now this one over there. Okay, this one will tells us where the market will move in the future, and we have to read it correctly. That's gonna help us a lot. AV Bitcoin. Okay, so yeah, me who watch that one. Take USDT, break the retrace 42 or 38, then all-time high. So you say retrace 42, so you mean like this, and then or 38. Okay, and then back. That's possible, but that's gonna be a quite sharp. Okay, that's gonna be the quite sharp correction. I don't think that there will be something like this, going lower and then go. Yeah, it's possible also, especially if we will have this over there. Okay, the flag over there, then going lower, then yeah, of course, it's gonna change structurally again, same as I have shown you with this one. Okay, if you see this structure over there, this is changing the view on the Bitcoin, and this one as well. Okay, this flag will as well change the pattern, because we will be heading to the 64. Okay, 64 is where we will be heading to, and we will just start investing there in the Bitcoin if that appears. So we all know that we have to put some additional focus over there on the Bitcoin in the upcoming week because of this correction. Okay, so I see that you guys are having some knowledge there, so this is really well. I love to see that. Okay, and yeah, this is it. This is really good. So what do we have also? XRP. Yeah, we watch the XRP. Ethereum also as well. We watch this one. Do you see a big difference between Ethereum USD and Ethereum Euro? No, there is not probably a big difference between the Euro USD and Ethereum USD. At least it wasn't. Okay, once I watched them, there wasn't a big difference between those two. Do you know Inevit. No, I don't know Inevit. Bitcoin has an Inevit for the Duncan waves. I have exactly no idea what are you talking about. This Inevit is I don't know about this one. Okay, so I have no idea. So check ADN as well, please. We will just have a look. Let's go. Okay, first I will have a watch on AV. Yeah, simple. We will watch it. Simple. Okay, that sounds weird when I call your name or when I pronounce your name. Simple. Check ADA. Okay. So yeah, I will first have a look on AAVO. So let's see AAVA Bitcoin. So let's see what we are having over there. Yeah, there it could be a nice flag in the making for one more high, then going lower. But there is the problem now. We are having a flag. That's not gonna go higher. Okay, that's not ready yet. Okay, we can still have a new low before anything else will appear to the upside. Okay, so there's no momentum for the buy. Okay, if you are in the buy from there, okay, I do recommend you close the position. Close the position because, or just a second. Yeah, close the position and buy back if it will break the high. Okay, why? Because this could be the running flat. Okay, and only confirmation will be there. Once it will break this high, then we'll have a confirmation that this was running flat and we'll be going to the upside. Okay, only the way like that you can trade. Okay, but having and holding the trade open from there, it's quite risky because it could still drag lower. Okay, that could still drag lower, and be careful over there. Be careful there. What else? Then we have Adrian is asking for take USDT, CAK-USDT. Let's see what this one is doing. I haven't heard for that one. Let me see the quickly daily chart. Daily, what it's trying to do, it's same as Bitcoin. Okay, just a second. Weird. Okay, for now this looks like a sell. This looks like a sell. Breaking the low, it's really likely to happen. This could be the move. Okay, so I don't recommend you buying it right now. Okay, so first wait for this sell and let's see what it's gonna do. Okay, there's another one option. Okay, these two going lower, break this low, going higher, not breaking this high, giving you the running flat, and these two keep on dragging lower. Okay, so there's the better option. Okay, and this option is quite possible, so be careful. If you want to buy, what I do recommend you is let's wait for a strong movement over there, wait for the flag over there. Okay, quite bigger one, and then going higher. Okay, this is where you can buy, but having a buy from there, that makes no sense. It can drop down and you will have a drawdown over there, because this could still be a nice flag for the downside. Okay, so this can still go down and close to zero. Okay, close to zero, or at least breaking the previous low. This is what we can have over there. So this one, okay, this running flat will push the pair to the downside. This running flat which I have shown you already, this one going lower, going up and giving us the running flat, and it can just go close to the zero. I mean, I don't think it will go close to the zero, but it will go close to the 4. Okay, something like this. What is that? Check ADA. Okay, check ADA. Let's see what's the ADA. Simple, did you mean versus Bitcoin or versus USDT? USDT. Let me check both ADA Bitcoin. Yes, some buy it's happening over there on the ADA Bitcoin. Okay, some buy it's happening over there. Okay, on versus Bitcoin. Let me check also the USDT. Let me see if I have it. I think the charts are the same. AD USDT, yeah, they are the same. It could be a good buy over there. Okay, good buy at least for the medium term. Okay, medium term. This is trying to correct itself and then going higher. Okay, so you can check a buy. Yeah, I mean you can go for the buy. Smart contracts drop tonight on Cardano, might be. We don't know. I'm not reading those fundamentals. So yeah, possible for contracts can drop tonight on Cardano. Yeah, so what if the fundamentals will help push the Cardano to the upside? Yeah, then we may watch this break to the upside. Okay, so watch it and see how it goes. If it will stop by the previous stop, then take off your profit, it's gonna go lower. Okay, because then this will becomes a sell. Okay, so let me just show you, like this one, and then one more low and then going higher. Okay, but yeah, we can have a try. We can have a try, buy it, because it can drag higher. How far? If we watch the daily, okay, let me just take everything off, remove all drawings. If we will be lucky, let's say like that. Okay, so this is the expanded flat, there is the correction, and it can go to the upside nicely. Okay, so it could be a nice chart. It could be a nice chart, so you can watch it, and maybe you can place an entry order over there. We'll see. I will put it in the green. So bearish flag, right? Yes, bearish flag. And one more was there, SOL. Where did you find all those? SOL. Probably again versus USDT. Okay, so SOL Bitcoin. That's not good one. This one it's not good one because it's at the top. Okay, it's at the top. This can give us at least a bigger correction before going to the upside, so I'm not interested buying it at the top. If you watch the daily, okay, daily, it's quite high, and SOL Bitcoin is not a good chart to watch. Let's also see the USDT. They are usually the same, but yeah, just have a double check. USDT, yeah, this one. Same there, yeah, they are the same. No, I don't recommend you buying it, this SOL. SOL is not good. So, audio Bitcoin, let's see the audio Bitcoin. I think that I have it. That one has a really good name, audio. audio, where is it? Here it is. Daily. Just hold then. Yes, if you're whole, you can, but I'm not holding that long. Okay, what I hold, it's only the Bitcoin. But good, if you have enough patience, guys, you can hold them. But definitely not the SOL. SOL, it's not a good decision or good setup. So let's see what we are having on the audio Bitcoin. This one is dangerous, Meho. Be aware. This could be a running flat, and that could go for one more low before we go to the upside. So be aware. I do recommend you waiting for the flag on 1 hour. Okay, it's appearing already, yeah, but keep an eye there. Let's give it a couple more hours and see if it breaks to the upside. Then you still have to be aware from the previous stop. Okay, you have two tops where you have to be aware of, but it can still go lower. Okay, if it breaks and passes those highs, it can still push lower. This could still be the running flat for one more low before pushing to the outside. Okay, I think that Bitcoin will be the reason for this. Okay, TRX Bitcoin, it's over there, really good. Okay, I have both of them on the same place. TRX, oh, that one is quite high. I don't want to go for the buy over there. there was the nice setup. Okay, so there was the nice setup, nice running flat. Okay, so this was the setup. Those who aren't in the buy, you are a little bit late. Okay, you're supposed to be buy somewhere there or there. You have two buys. Now this is not good. At any time soon it will go for the correction, and you can have some problems there. So rather wait for the correction before getting into the trade for the TRX. Where is it heading to? Let's see. It will go higher. Okay, it will go higher, but be aware about the previous stop. It can stop and giving you the flat, going higher and then going lower, and then this could get quite complicated, going higher, giving you the running flat and then going lower. So be aware with this TRX. No long-term positions over there, okay, just for the medium to short-term positions. SOL Luna. SOL Luna, what is this one? So SOL we watch, I mean Luna. I think that I have that Luna over there. Just a second. Luna, it is there. No, they are too high. Okay, they are too high, guys. Don't be in the trade that high. Okay, so if you watch the daily, look at that where you are buying. That makes no sense because the correction, the consolidation will give you a headache and the red numbers. Okay, that's not good. So rather wait for a deeper correction than go for the trade. Okay, so if you are buying from there, or there, you're doing good job. Okay, those three positions are good, but don't buy at the top. Okay, this could be a headache. Okay, because it can go into the deeper correction, and try to avoid trading at the top and the setups that are on the top. What else do we have? But a short term, I mean, no, not even short term, it's not good. Okay, not even short term buy it's there, because this could just spike up and you will not have enough time to close it or to protect yourself. I see the sell there basically. Okay, so I can see the sell there before the buy, so be aware, don't trade it. Oh, you mean as a sell? Yeah. Okay, if you mean it as a sell, let me know. Okay, yeah, then of course you can watch for the sell stop over there. Yeah, that's gonna be a good, but be aware on the previous low. Okay, yeah, you can go for it. INJ USDT. INJ USDT. Let's see. That's a weird setup. If we assume that as a running flat, or if we say like, no, we cannot say this is the running flat. It's too sharp. It's too sharp, and yeah, 1, 2, 3. This is the sell over there. Okay, this is the sell over there. So keep an eye there for the sell stop. Let drop, correction, sell, sell, sell. Let's see, buy. Okay, I don't think this is the buy. No, that's not worth of taking the buy. Either wait for the sell over there, or completely ignore the buy. So completely ignore the buy. It's not worth of taking the buy over there. Link Bitcoin. Let's see, link Bitcoin. Where is it? I think that I have it somewhere there. Oh, there's a Luna. Where is the link Bitcoin? Come on, am I blind? Let me just. It's not there. Okay, we'll add it. Link Bitcoin sell. Definitely, this is the sell setup over there. Yep, this is the sell setup over there. Be aware. There are some drawings from there. That's quite an old. We'll delete them all. Yeah, this is the sell. This is going lower back at this low. So be aware, be careful. TLM Bitcoin. Let's see if I have it. TLM Bitcoin. I don't have it. We'll add it. Oh, not a lot of data over there. Sell definitely. Okay, this is the sell. Be aware, I can still see this one. This one's struggling. There maybe even bit higher, bit higher, and then going lower. So not a good setup. See the 1 hour. I don't think this is a good setup. Okay, this looks like a sell. This looks like a sell. So be aware, be careful. Okay guys, what else do we have there? Do we have any more trades? Just use the chat, type in what you would love to see or we have there that you want to take a look on. In this time, when you are sending the chart, I would please you to hit that like button for all of those who are watching me on YouTube. Okay, this will help the YouTube algorithm to recommend this video to someone who is struggling and someone who would love to learn something totally new and the stuff that you can apply immediately on the market. So you may help to someone by just hitting that like button. What about HBAR USDT? Let's see. USDT you said it as well. Okay, so you say oh, it's quite high. Okay, we've been buying it since really long time ago and now it's not the time for buying it. Let me just remove the drawings. If this corrects there, then yes, you can go for the buy. But if you don't see something like this on 4 hour, let's say, okay, you want to see, or at least this breaks the downside, that's gonna give us the running flat, okay, then you can go for the buy. But if you don't see this kind of the running flat, then don't buy it. Okay, this can just spike up and spike down and then going higher. Okay, try to protect yourself from this kind of the scenarios. But what else could appear? It could also go lower, so wait for it. Okay, wait for it, don't do anything. It doesn't matter if there's the buy stop. If I was you, if I will be you, I will not be buying it over there. Okay, this is quite dangerous. You are buying it at the top. Rather wait for the pullback, running flat, and take a trade. Okay, it will be the good one. And then yeah, of course, breaking above the high. Okay, it will be the good chart. Okay, this is it. Do we have any question? We watch a couple of them. We also have to take a look on XRP. Okay, we didn't take a look on XRP. Where's the XRP? XRP USD. It is. Yeah, this will be the buy. Let me take everything off first. Same as Bitcoin. Okay, so same as Bitcoin. If this corrects there, then it will go lower. If this will give you any buy stop, go for it. Why? Because then this will become expanded Fed and we are going back at the previous high, same as Bitcoin. Okay, so XRP is having the same analysis as Bitcoin. Bitcoin prediction 1 year from today. What did you mean exactly? HBAR USDT, yeah, it went really nicely. Okay, I think that previous year we've been buying it over there. Okay, so previous, I think where it was, it was in somewhere there. Okay, so we were there. So we were there when we were forecasting this movement. This one was a good shot from there. If anyone was there 1 year ago with us, then there was a nice shot for the buy. So if you go back and watch those webinars, there was a setup. There was a setup, and we've been talking about this buy over there. And some of you bought it for 282% of the profit. That was quite nice. But what I would love to see with the Bitcoin, especially Bitcoin, to go lower. Okay, so I really want to see the Bitcoin hitting 20k area. Okay, so then I'll be really happy. Okay, this is the good spot to buy. Why? Let's have a look on weekly. Okay, bigger correction. We are correcting now this movement. Okay, so if we correct this movement with this kind of the movement, okay, with the third wave, let's say like that. Okay, so first, second, and the third wave. Okay, so three-wave structure to correct this movement, then we will be heading to the upside really fast, same as we did there. Okay, so same as we did there. It could be quite similar movement. So if you will take a look and copy the chart or the bars, I mean, okay, then we will be easily going back to 80. Okay, 80 could be really fastly tagged. But yeah, like I said, I want to see Bitcoin dropping lower. Okay, that's gonna be a massive profit. Okay, massive profit. I think it's, yeah, again, 260% of the profit. Okay, so this is really nice money. Okay, really nice money, and all the altcoins will do the same. So it's gonna be a nice opportunity over there to buy it from there. So keep an eye there. So let's go and pray for this this 20k to hit. Okay, so yeah, I really want to see that this will be the flag, something like that, and then we'll be selling it. Okay, back there, and massive buys. Okay, massive buys from 20k, somewhere there, 24 to 20k, something like this. From there to start massively buy. Bitcoin, I will watch it just a second. Just a second. H bar USDT, did we already make that one? We make it. Okay, so I think we watch it. What else do we have? Bitcoin. I don't have it. Okay, I have to edit. Bitcoin. It's heading to the upside nicely. So you are late now. I will not buy it there. If it drops, then yes, I will buy it as the running flat consolidation. Okay, but definitely I will not buy it from there. That can drop at any time soon. Okay, and my entry point will not be interesting there. It's too high. Yeah, it's too high. Let's say at least, yeah, something like this, like I have shown you. Some deep pullback to give us the running flat, and then boom, explode to the upside. That's gonna be a fast money. So keep an eye there on 1 hour. 1 hour, this will be a nice running flat over there if it appears. Okay, so spike down and then spike up. That's gonna be a nice trade. Okay. So what else, guys? What else? This ADA can seriously going higher. Let's see that. Okay, yeah. Keep an eye there. This one can If it goes like this going lower, back at this top, then definitely it's gonna go higher, at least back to the previous top. And yeah, why not to just try to buy it, and you have to manage it if it will not go, especially if you are buying it on the shorter term. If you are buying it on the longer term, it doesn't matter. I don't think it can drop down totally. Okay, it can still go higher. One more high, and then we'll have to decide. Okay, so you have nothing to lose, especially if you're trading on the spot. Okay, on spot you are safe. If you bought it, and just forget it. Okay, so this is it. Do we have any more questions? Any questions? Back in the spring, like somewhere from January to March, April, Bitcoin, gold, but to go ahead, wild things. Can you analyze that? No, we will do that next time. Okay, at the beginning of the webinar, remind me, and we will do this. Yeah, of course, no problem. We will do this. Okay, so this is it. Next webinar is on Sunday. Okay, we are having every Sunday at 5 p.m. London time. It's the webinar, and if you think that you will forget, just simply join the Telegram group. Okay, the Telegram group, the link for the Telegram group, it's under the video. You'll find the links, social links, and just join it, and I will remind you. Okay, I always remind everyone half an hour or hour before the webinar starts, so you can miss it. Okay, so this is it. Thank you everyone for being there. Thank you for your support. I do appreciate all your comments, and I would please you to share the link with others. There are many more people that are struggling there with the charts and they don't know how to read them, so share them. You may help someone. Take care and enjoy your day. Bye bye everyone.